Ooh, welcome, man. Whoa, man, look at our used car lineup, guys. No, trade-in. These are actually traded in. Now, they haven't gone through the patented used car inspection and put back on the used car lot. Okay, but it's just really interesting on what people are trading in. I always try to get a sense of what people, not necessarily they don't want anymore. I mean, it's a lot of reason people trade in the car. I saw a Charger with a Hellcat engine in it yesterday. Watch this video right here. They traded it in. I'm very curious to know what they wanted instead of that. Now, remember, guys, in that video we discussed a lot of reasons, like a Hellcat. It's a lot of reasons. One guy commented that his wife made him get rid of it. I don't know. Too many tickets, too much attention, too much. Who knows? But what we have here, Honda, I don't know. Like, if they wanted to stay on the same body level, this is a Jeep Grand Cherokee if you want to move over to the Jeep side, which, in my opinion, is a good idea, guys, okay? But I don't know what they got. See, I'm going to start trying to follow up on what people get. I had to get that information from the used car mechanic. He can get on the computer and tell, I don't know what this is, the emblem gone. How many of you guys are that good like that? Some of you guys can look right at the grill and tell what kind of car these is. I'm just not there yet, guys. I have no idea. And I can't see because it's too far back on the, you know, the car, the parking deck. Typical Jeep. I think this was towed in. I think this is in for service. Wrangler? Did somebody trade in a Wrangler? This is a hot item, guys. It's two-door, though. I don't know how many people in the market for two-door. Yes, and I don't foresee this being here long, guys. When they get these like this, they hurry up and run them through the used car inspection and then go back on the lot. This is a beauty, okay? Somebody was smart, got a gas locking cap on. Like my niece got one, but she wanted four-door. Four-door Wrangler. Is it four-wheel drive? I don't know. I really don't feel like bending down, but I don't know why somebody would want. I don't know. That's a nice looking car. Hustle. Yes. Okay. Durango. If I had to guess, I'd say between 2011 and 2015, the body remained the same for a good 5-6 year run, guys. Only problem with these is not really a problem. In fact, I tell everybody I know that own one, when I do their oil change, I reroute their coolant tube. Watch this video right here. This is the only, and I wouldn't call it a flaw. This is the only mistake engineers made, or the only mistake that was made when this car was being assembled. The hose clamp on the heater tube underneath rubs. No, rubs on the heater tube. A hose clamp rubs on the heater tube and expose it, and it starts it to leak, and it is a pain to replace. I uploaded this video explaining how deeply disturbing it was for me to have to fix this, but I have yet to upload the actual repair video. That's coming down the pipe, guys. That's next. BMW. What y'all know about this? All right. I got a buddy on YouTube that specialize in BMW. He's a YouTuber. Okay, he got a slew of videos. I guess he's a YouTube expert. I don't know, but he's always coming up with some things you should and shouldn't do to your BMW. And we mingle every now and then as far as Chrysler versus BMW. I guess I don't know, but he's one cool dude. I met him last year. VW, man, what is going on with this VW? Who traded in this nice looking VW, and what did they get? I want to know. Inquiry minds want to know. Don't look like a lot of room. They got it locked. What on earth did they get for this BMW? Moving right along, guys. Kia. All right, somebody had something bad, nothing but negative to say about a Kia the other day. I'm not a negative person. Everybody have their own opinion about a particular car, make, and model. Okay, I don't know, but I cannot even give an opinion on this. I can say a little moisture done got in there, but I couldn't get, like you asked me, what you think about those Kias? I wouldn't know what to tell you because I have no experience with one, under the hood or outside of the hood. Now we in my familiar territory, guys. Look at that, 2 of them side by side. These are Challengers, and I assume, yes, they are RT Challengers, which have Hemi engine in them, 5.7. I don't know, 6.1, depending on the year. Some of the year, first year was equipped with the 6.1. And guys, the 6.1 is, it's all because of the intake. Depending on the intake, let me put it like that, would dictate the engine number designation. RT, baby. This thing likely would get it. And guys, oh my goodness, there's still a market for these. No matter if it's new or used, there's still a huge market. I do not foresee this car standing out here alone. Used car department gonna grab this, do their thing, break it up, brakes, check the engine over real good, scan it, blah blah this, blah blah that. They're gonna fix any kind of little minor stuff like this. Bumper cosmetic. They're gonna get all the cosmetic right, and this thing gonna be on a used car lot before you know it. Now, guys, y'all remember I was comparing, was that a Chevrolet Camaro? I was comparing that Camaro to this same red Charger. This Charger's still here, but the Camaro's gone. What does that mean? Did the Camaro sell and the Charger didn't? Not exactly. I don't want to think that's what that means, because a lot of people, I was advising y'all to choose and tell me why you would pick one over the other. I saw a couple of guys say, I take that Chevy, man, all day long. I heard a couple of guys say, I take this Challenger RT all day long. Like I say, guys, everybody's taste is different. But the Camaro is gone. Where did it go? I have no idea. I'm looking in the used car department. I don't see it over there, but if they was like in a hurry to rush out some product, you would think this would go first. Like I say, guys, the minor little cosmetic is just what it is, minor. Okay, this is nice, man, and it's open. Let's see. Yeah, man, it never been nothing to run home about as far as Chrysler's console and center console and stuff like that. When it comes to the inside, ain't never been nothing to run home. Yep, it was definitely traded in. Hemi, baby. I don't foresee it being long. So guys, once the used car department get a hold of all of these, they're gonna do their thing, and these will be on the lot. Okay, so if you're in the market for one of them, come on by. Tell them JT sent you, man. I get a little bird dog, but that's all I have, man. I forgot this little Compass. I don't know if this, I don't see no plates on it, so somebody had to trade it in. But I don't know. It depends. All right, guys, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.